Can you really 3D print nice things from recycled PLA filament? Let's find out. Recently, we started making recycled PLA. Let's see how it prints. The idea was to make these 3D printed phone stands to see how they would turn out. The thing about recycled filaments is that it's hard to keep a consistent color. That's why these two are more dark, because they came out of this filament, while these two look more anthracite gray, because they came out of a different batch. All in all, I think the results came out pretty nice. What's your favorite phone stand?
Subscribe.